Hello everyone, welcome to Kalparaksha classes. We are running a series called SSLC Sure Short Questions, and this is the day 1, and the chapter what we are covering is quadratic equations. Believe me, so these are the 100% sure short questions which are asked every year in your board exam. Alright, so in every year board exam, some of the questions are repeated. Since so many years, the questions are getting repeated. And today I'm going to get you through the questions which are asked in the quadratic equations, which are sure short 100% without fail. These questions will be coming. Alright, the first kind of question what they are asking every year is about quadratic formula. Alright, about quadratic formula every year questions are common. I have chosen some of the questions for your reference and will solve them, and I will give you some practice questions at end of the video. So keep on watching till the very end, and if you know the answer, solve it and compare your answer. Alright then, so let's get started to solve all these problems to become perfect in our SSLC board exam preparation. So here is the first question. Find the roots of x square plus 7x plus 10 by using quadratic formula. Quite a simple question, very interesting also and very easy also. You have to write this x square plus 7x plus 10, and roots means you have to make it equal to 0, and you have to compare this. So whatever this equation is there, this equation has to be compared with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then you have to write the value of a is 1, b is 7, and c is 10. Alright, so by using quadratic formula we are supposed to find out the solution, and everybody knows the quadratic formula. So what is that quadratic formula? This is must, okay, you must remember this formula, that is minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is the formula. Alright, so let us substitute the values now. Minus, then b is 7. This minus is there in the formula, okay. So this minus I am keeping it here, and b means 7 is there, I am keeping 7. Alright, so then plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac is 7 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 10. Then divided by 2 into a is 1. So you have to be very careful while substituting. So if you make a mistake here, the entire answer will be wrong. So that's why be careful. So then it becomes minus 7 plus or minus under root 7 square means it becomes a 49. Then minus, look at this, here also one minus is there and other things are plus. This is also plus, this is also plus. So that's why it becomes minus, and it is 40. Then divided by 2 into 1 is 2. Alright, so it becomes a minus 7 plus or minus under root of 49 minus 40 is 9. Then it becomes divided by 2. Okay, carrying forward the calculation, it becomes minus 7 plus or minus root 9 means 3. Then it becomes divided by 2. So here I am going to split this into two things. One is minus 7 plus 3 divided by 2, minus 7 plus 3 divided by 2, or minus 7 minus 3 divided by 2. Alright, so I am going to get it as minus 4 divided by 2 or minus 10 divided by 2. Basic calculation must be known to you. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 5s are. Then you are going to get a minus 2 or minus 5. So x is equal to minus 2 or minus 5. Otherwise you can write them separately. X is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to minus 5. So these are the two answers what we have got. Now how this will be evaluated in your board exam is they will see whether you have compared this with ax square plus bx plus c or not. They will see these values, and they will look into the formula, and if you have substituted well, you will get 1 mark. Alright, then afterwards all the calculations will be seen, and if you have got a correct answer, another mark will be rewarded, and you will end up getting your 2 marks. So this is very famous question which is being asked every year. Now second famous question is like this. It goes like this. What is the second famous question? The question is find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x plus 4. Again, discriminant means you know, right? So in the quadratic formula we have used this, no? So this b square minus 4ac, whatever this b square minus 4ac is there, no? So this itself is known as discriminant. All right, so let us find out that value. This is a quite easier question again. So what is the quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is a 2x square minus 3x plus 4. So this is the quadratic equation what we have. You compare this with ax square plus bx plus c. You can make it equal to 0 or you can just keep it like this, no issues. All right, roots means basically you are supposed to find out the zeros there. What they asked, roots, no? So if they're asking about to find out the roots or find out the solution, or if they're asking like find the zeros, all are same things in the first question. All right, now here they're asking only discriminant. Just compare and find out this value a, b and c. Put these values. What is a? 2. Look here, x square is there, a means 2 and x is there, b means minus 3. Very important, b is minus 3. And how about c? C is 4. Alright, so we got these values. And what is discriminant? Discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac. So b square means b means what? Minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a means what? 2 into c is 4. Now minus 3 whole square is 9 and it becomes minus 4 2s are 8 and 8 4s are 32. You have to be very careful in doing all this calculation. Alright, so now how much it becomes? Don't you think it becomes minus 23? It becomes minus 23, and this is the value of discriminant. Alright, they are not asking about any other thing other than discriminant. Look at the question, what they're asking us to find the discriminant. They're not asking us what kind of roots are there. That is next type of question. Here only discriminant is asked, and in many times only the value of discriminant is being asked. You find out this and get your 2 marks or 1 mark. Alright, coming to the next question, they are asking comment on the nature of roots of x square plus 4x minus 2. So they are asking about nature of roots. Now nature of roots, how to find out nature of roots? Nature of roots has to be calculated through b square minus 4ac only. So based upon this value, we have nature of roots, right? So you know the basic understanding, I hope. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means what kind of roots will be there? Real roots are there and different roots are there. Alright, you know this. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 means what kind of roots are there? Real roots are there and same roots are there. Real and same. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0 means no real roots. I hope everybody know about this. That's why you are here for the preparation. Alright, so anyway, let us get into the question and let us try to solve this. So what is this question? The question is x square plus 4x minus 2, and we have to find out the nature of roots. Alright, so let us write it as ax square plus bx plus c. You can write equal to 0 or you can skip it. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to minus 2. And let us find out the value of b square minus 4ac. Let us see what answer we are going to get. So it is going to be 4 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is minus 2. Whenever you are getting some minus number, keep it in the bracket. And 4 square is a 16 and it becomes minus into minus. It has become plus now. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So 16 plus 8, it has become 24. So this 24 is greater than 0. Alright, so whatever this b square minus 4ac is there, that b square minus 4ac is equal to 24 and it is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0 means you know this. What is the condition here? Nature of roots. Just write it as nature of roots here. So nature of roots is going to be, the first thing is real roots. It is going to be real roots and two different roots. I don't want to get into theoretical part of it. Already I have explained you how to do it. Alright, so these are the 3 things which can be asked. First one is to find the solution by using the quadratic formula, and second one is discriminant, and third one is nature of roots. Alright, so I have given some of the practice questions here, first question and second question. Solve these and comment your answer in the comment section so that I can clarify them, and make it sure that you are solving these questions which are short questions from quadratic equation. And definitely there are some word problems. There are some word problems in the quadratic equation which are asked every year in the board exam. I have solved some of the very important quadratic equation board problems, and the playlist, whatever playlist is there, so that link is given in the description. You check that and you solve those word problem, so that you get 100 percentage marks in quadratic equation. Just look at this. This is just 10 minutes. In 10 minutes your short questions from quadratic equations from day 1 are completed. In day 2 I will be covering some other chapter, and I will be covering very important and short questions in that. So I am Shrikant Bashetti from Kalparuksha classes, signing off from this video, and I will meet you in the second video, that is for day 2's video. And our target is 100 out of 100 in mathematics, and definitely you are going to get 20 marks in your internals, that is known to us, and 80 out of 80 is our target in mathematics, and we'll make it sure that all together we'll practice and we'll get this 80 out of 80. So keep motivated, be happy, and keep on practicing. Thank you very much. Have a good day, and bye bye.